Humans have always gazed up at the birds soaring effortlessly across the vast expanse of the sky, longing to experience that same freedom, that ability to defy gravity and dance among the clouds. The sight of birds gliding with such grace and ease has inspired countless dreams and aspirations throughout human history. For centuries, the dream of flight seemed like an impossible feat, a fantasy relegated to myths and legends. Ancient civilizations imagined gods and mythical creatures with the power of flight, and artists and inventors sketched out their visions of what it might look like to soar through the air. Yet, the human spirit, driven by an insatiable curiosity and an unyielding determination to push beyond perceived limitations, refused to let this dream fade. Inventors and scientists dedicated their lives to understanding the principles of flight, experimenting with various designs and materials in their quest to unlock the secrets of the skies. From Leonardo da Vinci's intricate sketches of flying machines to the daring attempts of early aviators who launched themselves from hillsides with wings of fabric and wood, the quest to conquer the skies persisted. Da Vinci's visionary designs, though never built in his lifetime, laid the groundwork for future innovators. Each attempt, though often ending in failure, provided valuable lessons, slowly unraveling the secrets of flight. These pioneers faced numerous setbacks, but each broken machine and each crash landing brought them one step closer to understanding the complexities of aerodynamics and lift. It was this relentless pursuit of knowledge, this unwavering belief in the possibility of achieving the seemingly impossible, that ultimately led to the moment when the dream of flight transformed into a breathtaking reality. The Wright brothers' historic flight in 1903 marked the dawn of a new era, proving that with perseverance and ingenuity, humans could indeed conquer the skies. Their success paved the way for the rapid advancements in aviation that followed, forever changing the course of history and turning a timeless dream into a tangible reality. The ability to fly, whether for a bird or a Boeing 747, relies on a delicate balance of four fundamental forces: lift, drag, thrust, and gravity. These forces are the invisible hands that guide every flight, from the smallest sparrow to the largest commercial jetliner. These forces, constantly interacting, dictate whether an object will remain grounded or ascend into the sky. The interplay between them is a dance of physics, a symphony of motion that has fascinated humans for centuries. Understanding how these forces work, both individually and in concert, is key to comprehending the marvel of flight. Pilots and engineers spend years mastering these principles to ensure safe and efficient travel through the skies. Lift, as its name suggests, is the force that opposes gravity, lifting an aircraft skyward. It is a crucial component that allows planes to soar above the clouds and reach their destinations. It is generated by the wings as they move through the air. The shape and angle of the wings are designed to create a pressure difference, which results in lift. Drag, on the other hand, acts as a resistance force working to slow the aircraft down. It is the friction of the air against the plane's surface, a force that must be overcome to maintain speed and altitude. Thrust is the force that propels the aircraft forward, counteracting drag and enabling the wings to generate lift. Jet engines or propellers provide this forward momentum, pushing the plane through the air. Finally, gravity, the constant pull towards the Earth, acts on the aircraft's mass, attempting to draw it back down to the ground. It is the ever-present force that pilots must always account for, ensuring a safe and controlled descent back to the runway. The generation of lift, the force that makes flight possible, is a fascinating interplay between the shape of an aircraft's wings and the properties of air. Air, though invisible, possesses mass and exerts pressure. When an aircraft's wings, specifically designed with a curved upper surface and a relatively flat lower surface, move through the air, something remarkable happens. The air flowing over the curved upper surface of the wing is forced to travel a longer distance than the air flowing beneath the wing. This difference in distance traveled creates a difference in air pressure. The air flowing over the top of the wing speeds up, resulting in lower pressure, while the air flowing beneath the wing moves slower, generating higher pressure. This difference in air pressure, with lower pressure above the wing and higher pressure below it, is the driving force behind lift. This phenomenon is explained by Bernoulli's principle, a fundamental concept in fluid dynamics. Bernoulli's principle states that as the speed of a fluid increases, its pressure decreases. In the context of flight, the faster-moving air over the wing's upper surface creates an area of low pressure, while the slower-moving air beneath the wing creates an area of high pressure. This pressure differential generates an upward force on the wing, lift. The greater the difference in air pressure, the greater the lift generated. Section 5. Thrust, pushing forward, defying drag. While lift counteracts gravity, thrust is the force that propels an aircraft forward, overcoming the ever-present force of drag. This forward motion is essential for maintaining flight and achieving the desired speed and altitude. Drag, a type of friction, arises from the interaction between the aircraft's surfaces and the air molecules. These interactions create resistance, which the aircraft must continuously overcome to maintain its forward momentum. The faster an aircraft moves, the greater the drag it encounters. This relationship between speed and drag is a critical factor in aircraft design and performance. Thrust can be generated in various ways, most commonly through the use of propellers or jet engines. Each method has its own advantages and is suited to different types of aircraft and flight conditions. Propellers, with their rotating blades, pull the aircraft forward, much like a giant fan. They are often used in smaller aircraft and are known for their efficiency at lower speeds. Jet engines, on the other hand, generate thrust by expelling a high-velocity stream of hot gases, propelling the aircraft forward in accordance with Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. These engines are typically used in larger, faster aircraft due to their ability to produce significant thrust and operate efficiently at high speeds and altitudes. Section 6. Gravity, the constant pull. Gravity, the invisible force that pulls us towards the Earth, is a constant presence in the realm of flight. It acts on an aircraft's mass, attempting to draw it back down to the ground. To achieve and sustain flight, an aircraft must generate enough lift to overcome the downward pull of gravity. The heavier the aircraft, the greater the force of gravity acting upon it, and consequently, the more lift it needs to generate to maintain flight. This is why larger aircraft require larger wings or wings with a greater curvature to produce the necessary lift. Section 7. The Wright brothers, taking flight. On a blustery day in December 1903, on the windswept dunes of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, two brothers from Ohio, Wilbur and Orville Wright, etched their names into the annals of history. After years of meticulous research, countless experiments with gliders, and an unwavering belief in their vision, the Wright brothers achieved what had eluded humankind for millennia: sustained, powered flight. Their rudimentary aircraft, the Wright Flyer, took to the skies that day, marking not just a technological triumph, but a pivotal moment in human history. The Wright brothers had unlocked the secrets of the sky, ushering in a new era of transportation, and forever changing the way we perceive our world. Section 8. A legacy of innovation. The Wright brothers' pioneering flight was a testament to human ingenuity and the power of perseverance. Their achievement ignited a global fascination with aviation, sparking a wave of innovation and experimentation that continues to this day. From those humble beginnings, aviation technology has advanced at an astonishing pace. Aircraft have evolved from flimsy wooden fabric contraptions to sleek supersonic jets capable of circumnavigating the globe in a matter of hours. Section 9. The modern marvel of air travel. Today, air travel has become an integral part of our interconnected world, connecting people and cultures across continents with remarkable speed and efficiency. Millions of passengers take to the skies every day, their journeys made possible by the principles of flight discovered over a century ago. From the moment an aircraft taxis down the runway, its engines roaring to life, to the exhilarating feeling of liftoff as it gracefully ascends into the clouds, air travel offers a unique perspective on our planet, reminding us of the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. Section 10. Beyond the horizon, the future of flight. As we look to the future, the world of aviation is poised for even greater advancements. From hypersonic aircraft capable of reaching incredible speeds to electric-powered planes that promise a more sustainable future, the quest to push the boundaries of flight continues unabated. Researchers and engineers are exploring new materials, innovative designs, and alternative fuel sources, driven by a desire to make air travel faster, safer, and more environmentally friendly. The dream of flight, once seemingly impossible, continues to inspire us to soar to new heights, both literally and metaphorically. Section 11. A testament to human ingenuity. The story of how airplanes fly is ultimately a story about human ingenuity, our relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our unwavering determination to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. From the first tentative flights of the Wright brothers to the technological marvels of modern aviation, the ability to soar through the skies stands as a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit. As we marvel at the wonder of flight, let us remember the countless individuals whose tireless efforts and unwavering belief transformed a timeless dream into a breathtaking reality, forever changing our world and inspiring future generations to reach for the stars.